Imagine a world where land is just a distant memory. No mountains, no forests, no cities, only endless oceans stretching in every direction. What if Earth was covered in water? How would life adapt, and what new challenges would humanity face? Join us as we dive into this extraordinary scenario and explore the possibilities of a water-covered Earth. Welcome to Imagine If, where we delve into fascinating what-if scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into alternate realities and futures. For Earth to become entirely covered in water, significant changes would need to occur. Imagine a scenario where polar ice caps melt completely, and tectonic shifts cause the land to sink. This transformation would be catastrophic, altering every aspect of life on our planet. Oceans would rise, swallowing continents and creating mountain peaks. Our islands and human civilization must adapt to an aquatic environment. Earth's ecosystems would undergo dramatic changes. Marine life, already adapted to ocean living, would expand to new regions, while land-dwelling species would face extinction or adaptation challenges. Coral reefs, kelp forests, and deep-sea ecosystems would become the new centers of biodiversity. Species that can adapt to underwater life would thrive, while others would evolve or perish. Terrestrial animals might evolve to become amphibious, while birds and mammals could adapt to life on floating islands or within underwater habitats. Humans have always shown remarkable adaptability. Throughout history, we've lived near and relied on the sea for survival. But a completely water-covered Earth would demand unprecedented changes. In this scenario, humanity would turn to advanced technology. Underwater floating farms and sustainable energy sources would become essential for survival. Desalination plants would provide fresh water, and food would come from aquaculture and hydroponics. Futuristic underwater cities would be built to harness marine resources and provide safe habitats for humans. These cities would be designed to withstand ocean pressures and provide all the necessities of life. A water-covered Earth would bring profound social and economic changes. Coastal cities, the current hubs of human activity, would transform into underwater or floating communities. Global trade, agriculture, and industry would need to adapt. Sea routes would dominate transportation, and new industries would emerge, focusing on marine resources and underwater construction. Communities would have to cooperate to manage resources effectively and maintain social order. Innovations in sustainable living and resource management would be crucial in this new world. The idea of Earth becoming a water-covered planet raises important environmental and ethical questions. Sea level rise and ocean pollution are already significant challenges, affecting marine and human life. How do we address these issues and prevent such a scenario from becoming reality? What steps can we take to protect our oceans and ensure sustainable use of marine resources? These questions require urgent attention and collaborative efforts. Marine conservation, renewable energy, and sustainable practices are essential to preserving our oceans and preventing drastic changes that could lead to a water-covered Earth. While the idea of Earth becoming a water-covered planet is a thought-provoking scenario, it also serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting our environment and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. We have the power to shape our future and preserve the beauty and diversity of our planet. By working together with sustainable choices, we can ensure that Earth remains a vibrant and livable home for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the possibilities of a water-covered Earth. If you found this video thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more explorations into alternate realities and futures. Until next time, let's continue to dream, explore, and protect our planet.